Hello friends, welcome to Vidyarthi YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get or join veterinary college through a NRI Quota. Before going to start the video, I have a kind request to join our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel to get more clarification. If you have any doubt, you can ask there. Also, you can comment in the comment box. For joining the Telegram, link given in the description and comment box. Let us start the video. What are the documents required? The first and foremost document is visa and passport. The visa and passport of parents or relatives or any of the known person working in the different countries. Any of one visa and passport, if you have, you can apply for this veterinary seat through NRI quota. Second, you have to pass the minimum eligibility criteria of a KSET or a NEET score, any one of them. If you have both, well and good. Next, you have to, if these two criteria are satisfied, then you have to fill the online application which is released by the COPS website, that is Bidar University, from Bidar University. Next, based on this, they will based on the merit list, they will select the student and give the selected student list in a COPS website itself. Once again, I will say the selection procedure, how the selection procedure is going to happen. If you have both KSET or any one of the scores, if you have both, well and good. If you have any one of them also, well and good. If you have both scores, you can apply through the scores which is better. For example, if you have good score in NEET, you can apply through the NEET, or if you have good score in KSET, you can apply through KSET. And next, they will, based on your merit list, they will select for a online, they will select the students and release the selected student list. I hope about this is clear. After releasing the selected student list, they will call for a document verification. Document verification and college selection is in the offline mode at a Bangalore Veterinary College. They will call for a document verification if your documents are verified, and they will allot a college based on your merit list. To get a Bangalore Veterinary College or other veterinary college, you have to pay two different fees. For Bangalore Veterinary College, you have to pay 12 lakh. Other colleges like Bidar, Shivamogga, Hassan, Gadag, Athini College, for these all colleges, you have to pay 10 lakh rupees. I hope about fee structure is clear. For a Bangalore Veterinary College, you have to pay only not, it is 12 lakh per year, not for all 5 years. For every year, you have to pay 12 lakh rupees for Bangalore Veterinary College. Other than this college, for other colleges like Bidar, Hassan, Gadag, for these colleges, you have to pay 10 lakh rupees. I hope about fee structure, documents verification, selection procedure is clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will clear it. This is the same I have given in a typed format. Same I will explain once again. For documents means visa and passport, any of the I have mentioned like parents, relatives, any of the known person working there. Next, based on a KSET or the selection procedure is based on a KSET or a NEET score marks, and they will call for online application. Yes, here the one more important thing, you have to pay 10,000 rupees for applying the online application. You have to pay 10,000 rupees, and the selection list is based on merits. Fee structure is clear. For a Bangalore college, it is 12 lakhs. For other college, it is 10 lakh per year. I hope about this NRI quota clear. If you want more videos about NRI quota, or if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box and join the Vidyarthi Telegram channel. Link given in the description and comment box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then share to your friend. Subscribe to Vidyarthi.